2012 Forest River Forester. It's got the full body paint option. Has an Onan 4,000 watt generator. Nice bay windows, side aisle. Nice huge pass-through storage compartment at the back of the unit. Does have a backup camera. 2 slide outs. And notice you got plenty of storage for taking along toys. A sewer flusher built in. It's a model 3121 Ford E450 chassis with a Triton V10. Patio awning is all electric. There's a little control right inside the step well here that you run it in and out with. So, very simple to do, no fighting with an awning arm. And that's all it takes. Very convenient. Stepping inside the unit.